Fucking hell, Nick, that was lucky. My foot nearly slipped away then. I'd have been in your lap.
That would have been painful.
For you?
And two scooters on the floor.
Right, we're ready.
Yep.
300 kilos of GS, 300 kilos of nuts. What a cunt I am.
Well, that was a nice brekkie in there again, even though, you know what I'm going to say. You know what I'm going to say. They forgot my sauté potatoes.
Oh, on the other hand, were very nice.
They did forget my grilled tomato, but I'm not that keen on them anyway, so I'm not fussed.
I should have bloody nicked yours.
What, sauté potatoes?
Yeah. I was eyeing them up while I was waiting for my brekkie.
Do you want to pull up and I'll hook it off for you?
Yeah,
or are you going to wait for it?
I'll pull up here quickly. Mind that big pothole?
Yeah.
Those of you with a road bike.
Right, forward a little bit more. Stop.
Honda assist.
Well, we got to look after each other, haven't we? Oh, it's bloody chewing gum.
Oh, is it? Oh, thanks, Steve.
That's all right. Yeah, it's bloody chewing gum.
Steve says, it's all right, it's all on my boot now.
Yeah, all over me boy band shoes.
Well, at least your feet won't slip on the fucking floor.
No, I just might not be able to get it off the gear shift, the brake pedal.
Here
sorry.
he is, look, he is coming in the land, look.
Oh yeah, all the way over there. Right, ready when you are.
Yeah, all good. All clear.
It's like a little crop duster, that one.
It is.
Christ, that's small.
I've got to remember to pick that jump pack up off you, haven't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. What you want to do is drag your boot along the floor.
Well, wear them out.
Yeah.
And it'll stick to the tarmac and rip him off the bike.
Why have I lost group connection?
27 degrees.
Splendid.
And that's moving, so that's going to be hotter when you're bloody sat still.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just lost group connection for a second then.
Oh, did you?
What, with the real world?
Lost again.
Have you ridden in the Cairngorms, Nick, or not? You haven't, have you?
Never even been there. I've only been to Scotland once, and that was with you boys last week.
What are you doing Thursday the 11th then, Nick?
Tesco's. Every little helps.
It does. I'm not happy with these earplugs.
Right, can anyone hear me?
Yes.
Can't hear a fucking word.
I keep losing group connection. There, it's gone again.
Yeah, I might need to pull over in a minute and take these fucking earplugs out.
You are?
Yeah, I think so.
Do it here then.
Right,
at least they got a long straight, they can see us.
Yeah. Right hand one's pissing me right off.
Damned annoying, aren't they? Right, instead of going straight on, we're going to bear left just here.
Why, we stopped.
So we're in uncharted territory there.
All right. I keep losing group connection on the comms.
Put your headlights on high, Steve. Fucking hell, look at that. You definitely need some chinales.
Can you see them? I can't hear anyone.
Yeah. But it was only 3 minutes since we left the airfield.
What's that?
Oh good.
Oh,
I've
for
got
crying
the
out
in-off
loud.
and my phone both blaring the sunlight in my eyes.
That's good. Now you know how fucking cars in front feel with the chinales up their ass.
Here's these highly tuned athletes.
Well, I can honestly say those earplugs do work. Now that I've taken them out, but they weren't sitting right.
Do you give them a little bit of a lick and a lube before you shove them in your
Yeah, you might want to
earplugs?
move in, mate.
Lovely bit of road, isn't it?
And still dropping. Car come in. Oh, you fuckwit. He got a
You got a
trailer
trailer on
on
the back.
with girders.
RSJs.
So he thought if he drives at me,
You get out the fucking way.
Yeah. Even though the pulling was on his
how wrong he was.
Wrong! Yeah.
Well, I've never been down here before.
Yes, you have, Nige.
No, I ain't.
No, but that's not what you normally say to me. We did it last fucking week. Are you senile or something?
Oh, you fucker, get out my fucking helmet. I have something
What's that?
crawling around on my
Rhubarb
cheek.
or custard?
Have something crawling around on my cheek.
It's not the first time you said that either.
As long as it's not anything that will sting. Fuck off out of me mouth or I'll bite you, you bastard.
Wow, £50 an hour stings, doesn't it?
I don't know about you, Nick, but whatever he's saying is working on me. I'm getting all excited. Get out me mouth or I'll bite you, you bastard. That sounds like a good offer to me.
Shit in the middle.
Oh,
Literally.
yeah, literally.
Literally.
And we're on the national.
Well, you've got
Yes.
an adventure bike now, Steve, so...
60 mile an hour speed limit down here, look. Oh, will you? Get out my fucking helmet! Can't. Right, I'm gonna pull over. Bastard. I've got to pull over to fuck him off out of it. I don't know what it is. Van coming.
Well, you did want to ride your bike carefully anyway, didn't you, Steve?
Sorry?
You know,
What did I do?
you did want to ride your bike carefully anyway, didn't you?
Yes,
So we
yeah.
do 300 metres fast stop, 300 metres fast stop.
Trouble is, it's the 9,000 revs in between them fast stops.
I road ahead closed.
Yay!
Because we
But
want to
that's-
go
Here we
right,
go.
we can't.
Fuck. Yeah, diversion.
Just,
It might not
Stop
be
it.
shut for motorcycles.
Diversion left. I bet that takes us back out and we've got... Oh, for fuck's sake.
diversion left.
It's Cumsock, isn't it?
Comstock, yeah.
Did we come through Cumsock?
Oh, where that
and
house
we did
was.
Dartmoor by that
Yeah,
house.
where that house.
And
might
we
be
came up
worth a-
here, didn't we?
Yes,
Might be
we
worth
did.
a look. Right, where
Yeah,
are
that, car,
you
that
little...
car's just come through.
So we'll go. Right, where are you little fucker?
I'm surprised I remember all of this.
Steve,
I'm surprised I remember anything.
you're clear to the left, clear to the right.
We'll let Nige scout.
I'll have to do a video.
Yeah, come on down.
The price is right.
And then we can all turn round. I'll have to do a video next week saying how much I want to go to Dumfries and Galloway area.
There's a
Yeah.
car
I've never
coming.
been there before.
Two more. Two more.
Do you not know the road's shut? Lovely cottages,
Road ahead
isn't there?
closed there as well. Look at the lovely old bridge up. And I believe there's a
lovely, yeah.
ding dong.
It looks like a ding dong.
And there's a half-naked woman down there.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yes.
ding dong. Oh, I can't see.
Me and Nick are going the right side.
Fuck. Oh.
Was it?
Well, one might have been a pass.
All right for practice. All right to practice on.
Yeah. How chauvinistic.
Well, there was one to the right that had a black top on, but she seemed to
Yeah.
disappear under the bridge before we could get to have a nosy. I wonder if my Mic 2's picking up that lovely sound of my bike.
Hope so. Then I can filter it out.
What, my voice and just have the exhaust now?
Yeah, just have the exhaust.
Tracker, but you'll be alright.
Shit flicker.
I mean, ooh,
Yeah.
it does, doesn't it? It goes initially. I mean, you'd have thought a motorway would be fairly easy to navigate, wouldn't you? There's not many junctions and whatnot, but oh Lord,
It's not as if they leap out of you all of a sudden, is it?
yeah,
Yet some people can still go wrong.
yeah.
Especially as somebody had only just said not long before, we need to come off after
We need
the
to
bridge.
come off here.
I know
Followed
they
by,
say-
we should have come off here.
Did you watch the video when we go through Bristol?
We'll like
Well,
the
I
video
like
when we
it.
go through Bristol.
The ones I uploaded.
Oh right.
I
Yeah, I haven't watched those yet.
As I said, Yeovil's the arsehole of the universe, and Bristol is the sweaty armpit of the UK.
Won't be going back there again then.
They can get a salute.
Fucking hell, I did the Nazis.
Right, looks like we're hanging a left down here.
It does, 0.3 of a mile.
Yeah, whether that's what you intended or not, who knows? I think Steve is taking fucking full advantage of his new adventure bike fucking status, mind you.
Is he standing up all the time now?
Again.
Yeah, see. There's milk in it, isn't there? I think he's making up for lost time.
Yeah.
I am, yeah.
Just because he can.
But it's so nice to when you stand up on this one, I can actually see over the hedges. When I stood up over on the pan, I was
Fuck
bent
me,
over
what you
double.
got? A fucking neck like a giraffe? Even my
Go
fucking
gadget neck.
Even my 360 won't go that fucking high.
I was looking to my right, not your left.
Or is it my right, your left?
Who
Either.
fucking knows?
It
Even
was
I'm
a lower
confused
hedge
now.
anyway.
Wiveliscombe, 5 miles. Look at this, look. They haven't resurfaced this that long, look. And look at
I
it.
know, it's fucking shit.
Pish.
It just goes to show they chuck this shit on top of anything, don't they?
They
Just
do,
to
that's all
hide it.
they've done. That's all they've done.
Because you can't tell me that gouge has just appeared.
No, they've not even had a grader
And
through
that
here,
is
I
a
don't think.
gouge of Bonnie Blue proportions. There we
It
go.
is,
There
isn't
she is.
Yay!
She's
She
made her
a guest
appearance.
appearance.
I think Lord Scotty P was saying no Bonnie Blue in this one. They was
no.
getting withdrawal symptoms. A bit like Bonnie Blue does when they
Yeah.
withdrawal symptoms.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet that thing slams shut when it's withdrawn from.
She must have an alarm that goes off saying it's cock o'clock.
Do you reckon the thing's is capable of slamming shut anymore?
Probably not.
It's just going to be like a couple of flaccid arms hanging down, isn't it?
Like an old freezer door seal.
Oh dear. Dear, oh dear.
Just when you think it couldn't get any lower. We aim to please.